Look at me! Hello!
I think Elizabeth needs a do-over. It's called a do-over.
Walk to sit on the bench and wait for Miranda. Sit on the bench.
Miranda, your turn. Miranda, do you want a turn? No? Well, then walk over there. Go over there. It's your turn. She's giving it to you. Here you go, Miranda. No, it's Miranda's turn. Give it to Miranda. One, two, three.
My turn.
Hi, Miranda. It's Parker's turn.
Hand it to Parker. Hand it to Parker now. Do you need help handing it to Parker? Hand it to him. Thank you.
Alpha, my turn. Alpha, Parker turn. My turn.
That's right. It's your turn. It's Elizabeth's turn, buddy.
Thank you, Parker. Very good job sharing. You should go inside and make a pee if you gotta go pee. Give me a your nose first. Well, no, once you go up and back up. Right here. The back up. Let's see, Elizabeth. Hang. 1, 2, 3.